How are currency exchange rates determined? The current exchange rate for $1 is around 75 rupees. That means we need to pay 75 rupees to get $1. So the question is, how are these rates decided? There are two ways by which a country can value its currency. One is a fixed exchange rate and the other is a floating exchange rate. A fixed exchange rate, as the name suggests, is fixed by the country's central bank. So a central bank, based on various parameters, decides what would be a good exchange rate for its own currency. Now in a floating exchange rate, the rates are decided by the demand and supply forces of the market. See, economics has a simple rule. Whenever demand for something increases, its price tends to increase, and when demand drops, prices drop. So in case of our dollar versus rupee, if demand for dollar increases, then dollar becomes stronger and rupee weakens, and vice versa. Let's understand this with an example. Suppose demand for US made goods increase in India. Then in order to pay for these imports, India will need more dollars. So demand for dollar increases, and so dollar's price increases. And when we have to pay more for dollars, it means the value of rupee has decreased. The economic term for this decrease is depreciation. On the other hand, if there is an increasing demand for Indian goods and services in the US market, then USA will need more rupees to pay for goods exported out from India. So rupee strengthens, price of dollar decreases. This increase in the value of rupee is known as appreciation. Now the question is, what method is used by India? Officially, it is a floating exchange rate, but practically it is a managed floating exchange rate. Now what is that? Write it down in the comment section if you know it, but if you don't, then don't worry, I'll cover it in the next video. Stay tuned.